I purchased a wired, generic Xbox controller, an Amazon Luna wireless controller, and a Xbox wireless controller. I primarily use the controllers to screencast games on my Fire TV and my Android phone. This video will provide a brief overview of how I use the controllers on my devices. At times, while screencasting the asphalt racing game to my TV from my Android phone, the graphics were grainy, but they were not unbearable. For some games, the streaming was pixelated. While games like Call of Duty, which require lots of movement, there was definitely a lag in graphics. I was in search of a versatile gaming controller to use on my Windows computer, Android phone, Fire Stick, and Fire TV. I tried several controllers. Basically, I screencasted games from my Android phone to my TV while using a wireless controller. And I would totally recommend it. It really does give you the feel of a real gaming system. The graphics were good. Although, I did not select the option to download the HD packages on some of the action games, which may have made the graphics better. The Xbox and the Amazon Luna wireless controllers sync perfectly to all of my devices. I have to use a cable converter to use the generic Xbox controller on my phone. The generic Xbox controller works on all devices as well. Honestly, there are no major differences between the controllers as far as touch reaction is concerned. This is really apparent in racing games. All controllers allowed me to navigate the racing track with the same quality of maneuvering. The Xbox and the Amazon Luna wireless controllers both require 2 AA batteries. I believe that they are equal in quality, and I would recommend either one. The wire controller is compatible with all of my systems, and it is just as good as the other controllers. Although I only bring up 3 controllers in this video, I have also used other controllers, which I will rate in the description of this video.